So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. At guys, ngayon lang ako nakapag-video ulit. At yun nga po guys, maghahatid ako ng ibon sa pick up drop po papuntang Melbourne. So ayun nga guys, ito nga po pala yung ibon na ipapadala ko. So guys, ayan po yung ibon na ipapadala natin sa Melbourne. Ayan po guys, 12 piraso. So guys, yan na guys. So yan po, sana maganda ang lipad nila sa Melbourne at maging maayos at healthy sila palagi. Okay guys, timeline na guys, papuntang Melbourne. Bye.
Tama.
You're the one driving up to Melbourne? Yep. Yeah. It'll be a long drive, eh?
Oh yeah, 10 days down south.
Yeah. If you don't mind, can you give this one to the fellow who didn't say that? Yeah. Thank you very much. And yes.
Just send it, if you don't mind, just send a reminder for me.
Yes, okay.
Just write in, I'll promise you guys, give you a reminder so they get us right in here.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
All done. Thank you very much.
2,000 years later.
So guys, yan na po. Nakarating na po sa Melbourne yung sinakyan ng mga ibon. At ayan na po. Na-pick up na po nung kukuha. Naman naman po silang maayos. 4 na araw po bumiyahe yan. Ayan na po. Sana po maging mabuti ang kalagayan nila at magandang pakita nila sa Melbourne. So yan na guys, pinakain niya na yung mga ibon. Pinapa-recover lang niya. So mga pagod po yan at stress. So yan guys, thank you for watching. See you, bye.